So in this video, I'm doing a little bit of a deeper dive and explaining on how to set up these pharmaceutical receipts that have price embedded into them. So you see how this one is $6.01 and that 601 is right there. And the question is, how do you get these set up so that you don't constantly have to deal with these items being new? So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. We're going to open the variable price barcode parser. And we're going to utilize a barcode settings here, and we're going to go to advanced settings. So this is pretty much a custom barcode setting. And the first thing I want to do is just scan this barcode into here. So it shows me this, let's just make it a little bit smaller. Here it is, we got the number scanned. And so it just shows me the sequence of digits that are scanned on this number, and then I can make a decision on what to do with it. And this is where I want to show you the second image, right? So if I can so here it is, right? So here we have another label. This one is $9.99, and you can see that ticket 108 4253, right? So there's a letter K and then 108 4253. That's embedded in the barcode right here. You can see it. And then if I show you the first label, it has the same K108, but then 2553. So the constant number that shows up on both of these labels is K108. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to say that the first digit is going to be our product code. The second digit is also going to be our product code, and basically just up to 8, right? So K108. And then the rest are going to be ignored. A letter C is for ignore. Right, so here it is, check digit ignored. And so we can go ahead and just go up to this one. And then the digit, like the one that is the 0, the 12th digit, that has to be price, right? So in case there's a 0 in front of, like, let's say it's $16, right? So you need to preserve that spot for the price. And the capital P represents dollars, and the lowercase p represents cents. So like this, right? So basically we're saying, let's use the first 4 digits for product code. Let's ignore the digits from sequence 5 to sequence 11. And then let's use the next 4 digits as our price. Okay, and then we can see test, and it'll tell us, well, product code needs to be K108, and the price is going to be 601. Price is 601, so we're okay. Now we can go ahead and save this, and that's how we have it set up, which means that when I go to my inventory, like this, right? Let me find my pharma item. I believe I already have one. Here it is. All I have to do is just put a letter K in the front, right? And get rid of this. So just like that. Because that's what we said we want our product code to be, right? K108. Because the rest of the digits on these barcodes are different, but K108 is the same for both of these scripts. And here's another one, right? So K108. And so now we're going to go ahead and save. And what it does now is it allows me to scan both of these barcodes. So here's the first one that I'm scanning, right? So this one's going to be $9.99. And let me just go ahead and do this always. All right, so here it is. Let me just go ahead and do it again. So here it is, $9.99. And then if I scan the first one, right, the one that's 601, this one, it comes in as a 601, right? So that's how you can set up these pharma tickets as variable price on Clover, and then just scan whichever one comes in. You just have to find the numbers in the barcode that are the same for all the scripts. And once you've identified those numbers as the numbers that are consistent, then you can go ahead and set your barcode settings the way that I did. Thank you.